Today I'm going to teach you how to add ticket comments in Zoho Desk. This feature allows you to communicate internally with your team through private notes or directly with customers through public comments, making ticket management much more efficient and collaborative. First, you'll need to navigate to Zoho Desk and log into your Zoho account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zoho Desk dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all customer support activities. From here, locate the Tickets module and click on it. This module houses all your support requests and customer inquiries in one organized space. After clicking on Tickets, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your tickets displayed in different statuses and categories under your Zoho Desk account. This view gives you a quick overview of everything that needs attention. The process from here is pretty straightforward. To add a comment to any ticket, simply look to the far right side of the ticket row where you'll find a dialog or text icon. Click on this icon to proceed with adding your comment. Once you've clicked the icon, you'll be directed to the Comments Editor screen. A right-hand side panel will appear, providing you with a dedicated space to compose your message. This editor is where you can type out your comments for the selected ticket, whether you're adding internal notes for your team or responding to the customer directly. Now, here's an important feature to understand. When you're ready to post your comment, you have two options regarding visibility. The default setting is private, which means only your team members can see the comment. This is perfect for internal discussions or notes about how to handle the ticket. However, if you want the customer to see your comment, you'll need to change this setting. To do so, hover your cursor over the comment button drop-down and toggle the public option. This makes your comment visible to the customer, turning it into an official response. Finally, once you've written your comment and selected the appropriate visibility setting, click on the comment button to post it. Your comment will be added to the ticket thread immediately, and if you made it public, the customer will be notified according to your notification settings. And there you have it. You've successfully added a comment to your ticket in Zoho Desk, giving you the flexibility to manage internal communications and customer interactions all within the same platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.